everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, like the video, comment, and share. Today we're doing a strawberry smoothie recipe for lean muscles. Okay, so first things first, you already know that we have to wash our hands. Like, that is the most crucial step to all of this. Who doesn't like to see a dog eating strawberry? But let's get back to this video, okay? So the first thing we're starting with is strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite fruit. Oh my god, I literally love strawberries, and I love them dipped in chocolate. You know, if anybody wants to get me edible arrangements for my birthday, you already know, okay? They're full of vitamin C, B9, and potassium. I'm punny, I know. Alright, whatever. So the next thing you're going to see me add is coconut water. Coconut water is literally a game changer for your smoothies. It's so good and it gives it a more refreshing taste. So coconut water has a lot of electrolytes, and that is very important to hydrating your body. You lose so many electrolytes when you're working out, so it's very important that you do find things that has electrolytes in them so it can help you hydrate your body. You know, I love my nutrition facts and sharing nutrition with you guys. So this is yogurt, obviously. Greek yogurt, I highly recommend it. It's so important for building lean muscles in your body. It's also a good source of protein, so definitely get on that if you really want to develop lean muscles or muscle mass. Greek yogurt or any type of, you know, protein is good for you, but for this specific recipe, it's fire. Woohoo! So the thing everyone's afraid of eating is flax seeds. Why? Why does no one like to poop? I don't know, but we love flax seeds because guess what? They're a great source of fiber and healthy fat for your body. And can you believe that it does wonders for your gut health? Alright? Gut health. That's your tummy, alright? And we need our tummies to be snatched, and you need some fiber in your diet. So add those flax seeds. So peanut butter tastes so amazing. I honestly love it more than almond butter, but if you do want a healthier alternative, I do recommend almond butter, but I personally really love peanut butter. My favorite brand is Skippy's. Regardless though, it's so good and tasty, and that's a great source of your proteins and fats. Last but not least, we got some agave. It's a natural sweetener derived from a plant. It is a great substitute for sugar. Just try to be conscious with how much you're using because you do not want to go overboard at all, okay? A little goes a long way. Shout out to my dog. He's the best. Say hi, Comet. Hi. Hey. And he's out. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. And cheers.